All right, let's do a little update. This thing's been on the road for a bit. No problems, but I got to go back and do some things that I haven't addressed, and that was the coolant. I never changed the coolant on it. It's going to be pretty simple. There's a drain right there. I did get a thermostat for it as well, so I want to do that. I made some inserts for here. There's some cheap plastic. And I don't think I ever adjusted the valves. I want to check the valves on this. And what else is on the plate? I think that's about it for now. Well, let's get some panels off and see what I showed. Anyway, this is the center cover, but this is the best thing you can ever put on a scooter is a friggin' cup holder. It's a folding one. Get it off Amazon. It sits right there between your legs. Ugh. Put your coffee in there. So I'm gonna do my other scooters. I put some extra tail lights. I think I'm gonna put it right here on this reflector. I think it's a 1/4-inch hole, and the light goes right there. It was either that or I was gonna put it up here where I'm putting that plate. But I think it'll be red and orange. It'll be too close to each other. But I think it's gonna be a red light, a running light. I'll put one there and one on the other side. Just makes you way more visible. And same thing on the front. I have call them driving lights. I've done it before. Put right here and here, same thing, white. They just get that whole front area when you're driving. And again, more visibility, safer it is for you and the person about to run you over. So this is the thermostat I got on eBay. Tiny little thing. It took 5 days to get here from an hour and a half away. That's the US mail for you. Order stuff on Amazon, it comes the next day. Looks like it goes right here. 2 bolts. This is a drain for the coolant. I am gonna take this bottle out, clean it out. It looks really good actually for, I'm guessing, 20 years of sitting. I've been driving it. No overheating, it's been fine. And coolant is very clean with this thing. So I'm thinking this was serviced. At some point, this girl didn't remember to tell me, but whatever. Anyway, that was the drain. I think I pointed to the other bolt. All right, making some thermostat progress. I unbolted the breather to get it out of the way, make some room. Even unbolted these oil pipes. Yes, this says external oil. So I can get to the bolts. Bolt off here. And there is the thermostat. It's nice and clean. There she is. Let's hope it's the same one. They said it was 150 and the 250 it hit. We'll see. Ready. Thermostat in, wait for it to open. This little squeak. Here's the valve adjustment we do. There's two cams. And that's cams. Last one, the ABCC didn't have that. So this should be real easy. I don't even know if how that squeak is. It's kind of a nice annoying one. find out if this fan comes on. Fan is right in here. Well, there you can see it. There's a fan blade. It should come on when this thing gets hot. Ooh, and now we're leaking. Alright. See if I can fix this. It should open. Get pretty warm here. Let's do some lights. So these are the driving lights that I put on the scooters. However, they need a little extra help in the wire secure department, hence the glue gun. I've had them pull out of there because it's very dainty. And I've even had these lenses pop off of one, but whatever. Here's the front bumper. I've drilled a couple pilot holes. And these are just Amazon lights, so pretty good. And I'm just going to drill a 13. 30 seconds should do it. That'll handle that. And there you have it. Next I gotta fix this crack right here. Get some, do some epoxy. I think there's another little one right there. And I think that'll be good for this piece. Tail light, it's gonna go in this reflector. Same thing, pilot hole. I'll have to run the wires behind here. And then the tail light wiring will be right up there anyway, so yeah, right here actually. Tie it right in. There it is, voila. Now let's get some, put the wires through hole. Okay, try this again. Of course I didn't have the clearance I wanted, so I had to drill a bigger hole for the light was poking into the side, and I couldn't get a flush mount. But now it's good, and I'm just gonna run the wires up, get this out of the way so people can see, for crying out loud. And then yeah, I'll just splice into these. And splice, I mean solder, and then that'll be a perfectly fine connection because these are LED. They draw like a milliamp of power, if that. That's a accurate spec. Going to epoxy this, but I already have the soldering iron out, doing the wiring for the lights. And it's, ooh, I gotta do right there, it looks like. But this is working because it's fiberglass. So I think I'm just melting the fibers back in. It's kind of nice. Lights are on, wired up for now. Then I gotta do the rest up to the power source. Okay, while I'm doing my wiring for the taillights, this is quite faded. Can we see that? Fucking light. Anyway, I'm gonna try a hairdryer. I've done that with other parts. Just keep moving. Gets it, brings it back to black. If not, I can use the product back to black. All right. Hairdryer was not hot enough, but stovetop is. Just did this little top section here. It's a little glossy. It's just glossy. I think I'll just keep going because this is not visible on the bike anyway. It's so far down, but it'll be better than gray. That was with the stovetop and a bit of a lighter too. Just a long lighter. Just looks dusty now. It looks like dust in there, but it's just the faded. I'm gonna try the back to black plastic restorer. See if I can clean that up. Good enough for me. Yeah, heat gun would do it. I did use the gas burner and a lighter. Sweet. All right, let's try this again. Lights are on. Figured you guys could see this cool dash. I like marker lights. Running lights are nice. There's those suckers. They work well. And there are the other ones. Put in that reflector. Nice and red. They are brighter than the other one. They're not brighter than the brake light, so yeah, today's standards, everything's freaking bright. Should be good. Gotcha.